In today's video, I will show you how to share a Qualtrics survey link. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, find the project you want to share, then click on the three dots beside it. From the drop-down menu, click on Collaborate. Collaborating is an amazing feature when you are working on team research projects because it allows multiple users to build, distribute, and analyze the same project simultaneously without sharing login credentials. In the search box, type the name, email address, or username of the person you want to grant access. If they are within your organization, their profile will usually pop up instantly in a drop-down list. Once you see them, click on Add Selected. You can choose to enter a custom message in the text box if you want to give them context, but it is completely optional, and then click Invite. Now you need to set permissions. Simply check or uncheck the individual boxes to strictly control what your collaborator can do, such as editing the survey, viewing reports, copying the files, or distributing the survey link. Finally, click Save to confirm. Your colleague will receive an email notification right away, and the project will automatically appear inside their own Shared with Me tab on their dashboard. And that's it! That's how you share a Qualtrics survey link.